Have you been drinking too much, staying up too late, stressing out? This soup's for you. This easy to make, nutrient rich soup will have you feeling good in no time. I soaked my beans for 24 hours and then I cooked them for an hour and a half until they were falling apart. And to that, we're going to add sweet onion. And onion contains a sulfur compound that's really great for liver health, and that's what this soup is designed for. It's designed to heal and rejuvenate your liver, which is your powerhouse organ. And if you didn't know, it performs over 500 vital functions in your body, so it's kind of essential that you take care of your liver. So we got 2 sweet onions and about 10 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to get all the skin off here. I really love this little tool to do that. And that all goes right into the pot. Just stir it up and simmer that in there with the cooked beans. Now, vitamin C is excellent for liver health. That's why this lime is also going in this pot. And here I'm just de-seeding a jalapeno. You can wear gloves for this step if you want, but be mindful your fingers will be spicy. So I just chop that up. Everything goes right in the pot. I'm going to simmer it all together. I like to use Celtic sea salt because it contains so many minerals. And that's what we're looking for here. Fiber, nutrients, easy to digest. That's what the liver loves. And then I just use my handy dandy handheld wand to blend it all up. And I'm adding cumin, paprika, and onion powder to this. And then at the end, I'm going to throw in some fresh chopped up cilantro. And this is so easy. Anyone can make it. It's super affordable. It's filling, it's nourishing, it's hearty. It's all things good. So make sure you follow to stay tuned for healthy recipes and please share with someone you love.